Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can use arithmetic operations in C++. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide just by following this simple code. You have to write cout 6 plus 6. You have to use that plus sign. And to shift your answer to the next line, you have to write this code as well. Now you can see, you can also subtract it, 6 minus 6 semicolon, and to shift it to the next line, you can write cout end line. Again, you have, if you want to multiply, you can write cout less than sign 2 times, and you have to use 6 asterisk 6 and use the semicolon as well. And I'm going to shift it in the next line after using the semicolon. Now you have to use it again, 6 divided by 6, and you can shift it to the next line as well. So it's basically the same operations except the multiplication, and that's it. You can use the simple arithmetic operations by using these codes. So that's it for the video. As you can see guys, it displays me the answer 12, 0, 16 and 1. So that's it for the video guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe.